Cast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning and welcome to 50 GP add-on solutions in 50 minutes, presented by Dynamics Connection. All right, so first I want to start off by saying you should have received a confirmation email last night. That is going to have a survey link in it. I'm also going to place it in chat at this point so that everyone can have it. This survey link will help you keep track of all these 50 ISVs. Once you're interested in, take notes. You're going to have a lot of information there. There's also, and if you prefer, in that same email there was a checklist. So either way, but it's probably preferred that you do the SurveyMonkey. It's just easier. So if you want to do that, keep track of everything that you're watching and listening to, please use that link. So first I want to start with introductions. I'm Ashley Canali, a Client Strategy Manager here at Interdyne Artist, but more importantly is our presenter today, and that is Kim Peterson with Dynamics Connections, and she is fantastic and in the GP world for a really long time. I'll let her give her own introductions later. Also, we really do encourage questions on this webinar, so if you would please put them in the question box over to your right. We will not be able to get to them during the presentation, but what we'll do is answer them all at the end. So definitely put those in there because they're definitely encouraged. Lastly, we're going to be recording this webinar as we do with all our webinars, so you'll receive it if you registered and or attended. So we'll send that out to you along with a copy of the deck and any information as well. All right. Our last plug, just really quick, your summit is next week. So we're really excited about that. We're hoping you can come. It's in Orlando. If you haven't registered, go and do so. There's a 10% code here at the bottom. But if you have registered and haven't let us know that you are attending, make sure you do that because we'll be there. Would love to see you. We're also hosting a dinner for our clients. So please come. We'd love to see you. And so if you let us know that you're coming, we'll put you on our mailing list to make sure you're up to date with all of our festivities. So really at this time, I pass this back to Kim, and I really appreciate it, Kim.
All right. Excellent, Ashley. Hey, it is great to be here. Well, I had my coffee. I'm ready to go. This is a rapid start, again, a fire hose effect. Really, the purpose of today is to let you know about 50 different solutions that will enhance how you use Dynamics GP. So, matter of fact, the model behind this is Mark Rockwell from Rockton used to do this for me when I led GPUG, and it was a standing room only. It's amazing. Even I, after doing this 37 years, come across products I had no idea about. So I am going to spend 1 minute on each one of them. Again, as Ashley says, open up that SurveyMonkey. You can click, click, click through that survey, and they will follow up with additional information. A lot of great news. So with Mark Rockwell in mind, I'm going to go ahead and get started with one of his products. All right, here we go. When did those payment terms get changed? Who gave that employee an unauthorized raise? Where, how, why? Call on Rockton's Auditor, a simple yet robust data change management tool. While fraud prevention is the most common reason Auditor provides outstanding value, it's also very flexible in tracking changes for many different reasons. Whether you want to protect your data integrity, or if you're facing compliance audits due to industry regulations or SOX legislations, Auditors has you covered. Flexible setup and tracking options can be done through GP or at the SQL database level. You can even choose to be notified by email when changes happen. And then there's eSign. This is if you want to require users to obtain supervisory authorization before changing data. Atrix is one solution that allows you to process your payroll and HR reports. Things like e-file unemployment, W-2s, 1099s, electronic payments, and more. Its website portal tracks all filings and payments. You can get the inside view of what's happening and when. You can view confirmations and administrator what you need right from your desktop. All of these capabilities come with a great Dynamics GP integration for safekeeping. Fraction, this is a new company name. Fraction actually merged with eRequester, and now the company is called Fraction. Fraction's two products helps you with spend management by offering visibility, efficiencies, and controls over requests for purchases and invoice payments. It has an automated approval workflow engine that streamlines spending related processes. It's kind of two products in one, helping you in making the right purchase decisions along with using OCR to finish up with workflows and paperless records, cutting PO investment time and expense in half. With the company called Fraction, you have two product offerings, Prime, which is a cloud-based solution, and E, which was the eRequester, which is an on-prem solution. So give a call to Fraction. It's this time of the year, budgets. This is the perfect time to research and making quick decisions on how you're going to do budgeting. You know how well it went last year, right? Well, it's not too late. Truesky is an advanced budgeting solution. It's easy to use Excel interface. It turns Excel into an enterprise budgeting solution. It has flexibility to handle complex requirements. They have multiple departments, multi-currency, multi-language, and it integrates with multiple database sources like payroll, HR, CRM, of course, GP, point of sale solutions, and the list goes on. Credit card payments from Blue Moons gives you the ability to process credit cards within GP windows. When using the secure wallet capability, customers confirm the last 4 digits of their credit card number to reuse an existing card for transactions, making it real easy. By initiating credit card payments within cash receipts entry window, collection efforts are made more successfully since you can use credit cards to pay outstanding posted invoices. Credit card payments also has the ability to auto settle each day's transactions to ensure that all transactions are processed in the proper day. As you can see, there's a lot of benefits. Integrates with both back office and websites entered orders. It has the ability to store credit cards per customer, default customers or default cards by customer, and also customer location. And don't mention, you also can have multiple credit cards per sales document. Payments by statement allows scheduled payments for on-account customers. So automatically it's charged. You get your money right there and then. And you know that 2 to 5% you get charged for taking in credit card payments? Well, because of this design, it's being processed by Vantiv Integrated Payments, which means there's no third-party gateway, no fees. It's now going to cost you less. Postmaster Enterprise from Investage. This automatically detects and posts GP badges. If you have integrations, intercompany transactions, maybe you use SalesPad, Key to Act, or other ISVs that create batches in GP, or if you simply have to post batches across several companies, don't worry, Postmaster can fully automate the posting process for an unlimited number of companies. This runs as a Windows service. It does not require a GP client application to be running or logged in. This can be done at night. and it does not consume a GP user license. Matter of fact, if the server is rebooted, the Postmaster Windows service restarts automatically and resumes detecting and posting batches. And as a safety guard, this is available for all of you, maybe still back as far as GP 2013. It also offers you a free 30-day trial, so check it out. Managing multiple companies in GP, well, Corporate Renaissance Group's Company Combiner is a great solution that allows you to consolidate multiple company databases in GP into one single company. The result is improved reporting, incredible time savings, and of course, much easier maintenance. Company Combiner is also used extensively as a precursor for binary streams multi-identity management. Today, AP automation is fairly common in the GP space. A major component of most AP automation solution is the inclusion of functionality such as document management, workflow management, or SharePoint integration. HandsFree ERP strips all of these extraneous functions from your solution to keep costs low, speed of implementation, and it'll maximize your ROI on the investment. HandsFree ERP focuses on the document automation process and utilizes functionality of the GP software that everybody's already familiar with. The big difference being that all manual data import is now automated. The rest is faster, more accurate, and more efficient processes. Additionally, HandsFree ERP is a platform that allows you to automate any manual data input using the same platform. AP automation is just the tip of the iceberg on what you can accomplish with this document automation platform. One of my favorite products, Sierra, has been in business for years and has also received Microsoft's CFMD status. Sierra actually has many solutions in one. It handles time clock, scheduling, HR capabilities, and integrations to many popular solutions. So if you have employees that are paid by the hour, you now have different ways of collecting the data. Could be that clock on the wall, your cell phone, biometrics, boom, use your fingerprint, computers, and more. It's got a scheduling module. This allows employees to enter in their information on when and all they want to work, and then its automated schedule is created, no longer taking hours to try to please everybody or those lovely little post-it notes. Plus, this meets many HR reporting requirements such as PBJ if you're in healthcare, ACA, and more. Sierra is a very full-featured solution for your hourly employee needs. Easy Ebank rec. So why not make month end less stressful? This unique solution sits inside of GP Bank Rec, which, by the way, you already own. It puts GP Bank Rec on steroids. You can now import thousands of transactions in minutes, match by document numbers automatically, and allows you to quickly see matched and unmatched transactions. 2 steps allow users to preview transactions matched by the amount and select which matches to accept. It also automatically books transactions such as those monthly fees like interest rates, service fees, ZBAs, etc. It's in one setup and then it automates them. And you have choices. You can match daily and weekly checks that have cleared, or you can also do a quick check mark on all the transactions that are already matched by the end of the month. And you now have better visibility. There's this great dashboard report. It's called Reconciliation Summary Screen. This provides you with real-time comparisons of variances in the GL and your bank transactions. That's easy Ebank rec. De facto planning empowers you to make faster and more intelligent decisions about how best to manage your business operations. It handles budgeting, forecasting, consolidation analysis, reporting, and predictive analytics. De facto planning is a recognized enterprise corporate planning product for Dynamics products across all of the different platforms. It's also 100% Microsoft technology, including Azure machine learning, AI, and bot services. This product is available as a cloud or on-prem service. Do you manage inventory? Well, StockIQ can help you in managing your purchasing and inventory flow. Listed here are popular industries and key features that they appreciate. StockIQ is a demand planning tool that helps you making the right purchasing decisions today and to meet your new future needs. As a purchasing solution, it sets itself apart by offering great business intelligence. It's also stronger in supplier and promotion planning. So if you have ups and downs in sales, maybe you've got your best sales in the fourth quarter, this is the tool you need to look at. It also is available, like others, cloud hosted, but as far as I know, it's the only on-prem deployment offering. It's also value priced. Your investment is off the value of the inventory it manages, so lower value, pay less. Check it out. StockIQ has a new ebook. Also, it's called Dashboards Change the Game. This will help you learn. ICANN Software's Mass Supply Suite, the leading mass supply solution for Dynamics GP receivables and payables. So you got three modes of mass supply in preview. One, mass auto apply plus prefix matching auto apply. Two, mass supply based on invoice stored in payment, return, or credit memo dealing with AR. Three, mass supply on import apply. So with that being said, this will handle short pay processing functionality. It'll allow you to import customers, vendors, and transactions, and works with multi-currency and national accounts. ICANN Solutions. Yep, Encore has one. Well, Encore's Advanced Smart List actually sits on top of GP's Smart List Designer or any Smart List, even the new Smart Lists created using Smart List Designer or Builder, which is E1's. It can be displayed in the Advanced Smart List grid, putting your Smart List on steroids. Immediately, you are going to begin slicing and dicing and analyzing your Smart List data within GP. Matter of fact, no need to export into Excel anymore. Save your newly reformatted Smart List as a Smart List favorite. You can even share that with others. So there's actually a promotion going on right now for this $800 solution. You can request 30-day keys, or even better yet, watch any of Encore's webinars, and as a follow-up, you are going to get the keys to use this software for a year, absolutely free. So check it out. This is a great product that'll make your Smart Lists sing. As awesome as GP is, you've been asked a few things, or maybe 27, to make it really awesome. We have a tool for you. The GP Toolbox, one of Rockton's most popular add-ons, is packed with a ton of functionality. It's designed to save you time, money, and frustration while improving your experience. The first bucket is talking about enhancing system security. Finally, you can kick the deadbeats that are hogging your GP licenses. You can also lock out users with too many password attempts and extend GP's password restrictions. The next bucket, accelerate IT administration. Matter of fact, maintaining order to your third-party product installs and your GP login counts is hard work, but they're making it much easier using this product. Simplify business processes. A few ways to get things done faster around the office, such as multi-level approval of payments, managing fiscal periods from one screen, and resetting posting batches. Lastly, improve the user's experience. GP users can get detailed information about windows and fields, and they've even thrown in some handy widgets to improve the overall GP user experience. Anyone say payroll? Green Shade's online employee portal. This empowers your employees while cutting down on manual entry for HR and your payroll departments. The portal features time entry, pay stub and year-end form access, human resource document library, evaluations, and a whole lot more. Want to cut down on open enrollment processes? Boy, isn't that coming up? Here, Green Shade's portal also allows for streamlined benefit enrollment experience, providing multiple options, comparative reviews, and an all-in-one source for your information. Notice ePay Advantage is a customer payment portal that allows your customers to view and pay invoices. This portal also serves as an invoice delivery system. So every time an invoice is posted in GP, ePay sends out an email to your customers with a PDF invoice and a link to the portal. ePay can process credit cards and e-checks, and it can create and send reports, confirmation receipts, and even payment reminders for those. ePay can solve some of the biggest AR pain points, including manual labor, because ePay can greatly reduce the need to mail out those invoices, not to mention save trees and stamps, but it can collect payment information and notify customers of outstanding dues. Double entry, because the approved payments are automatically sent back to Dynamics, and it's applied to the corresponding invoices. AR has no double entry. And also payment security, because customers are now in control of entering in their own payment information. Your accounting team never has to be in contact with the credit card information. The Power BI report pack for Dynamics GP. This is cool. It's a suite of 60 plus pre-built interactive dashboard reports that will give you a 360 view of your Dynamics GP data all in one place with a click of the mouse. Now, you can gain improved visibility of your business data, allowing you to make quicker and better decisions about your organization. Data insights, data analytics, proportional analysis, increase-decrease analysis, question and answer and forecasting, also known as predictive analytics functionalities, all built in. Matter of fact, this functionality is the very definition of business intelligence. And this is not available in any other reporting tool on the market today. And let's go on. This is another screen. Who said that reporting can't be sexy? Look at this. This is another screenshot of a report from Power BI PAC for GP. Remember, you get over 60 pre-built interactive dashboard reports. Thank you, ETL Source, for making BI easy. Matrix inventory, also known as MTX, defines and tracks multiple colors and sizes or links and lists for all inventory items. MTX also creates unlimited SKUs. It generates reports, secure data, and apply inventory-wide special pricing adjustments and overrides. It creates 1 or 2 dimensional style matrices with customizable options. If any of these terms sound familiar to you, you probably could use the help of Compass Technologies. A recent Ethotech customer case study said it all. A lifeboat for our commission exhaustion. Do you answer yes to any of these questions? For over 15 years, Ethotech has provided some of the best of breed variable compensation management solutions for GP. Whether your company pays commissions, royalties, customer rebates, or other sales based on compensation, let Ethotech throw you a lifeline with Commission Plan. Fund Vision, created with nonprofit organizations' needs in mind. Fund Vision is an easy-to-use donor tracking solution. Besides keeping tracking and reporting of donations, it really functions like a mini CRM, allowing you to effectively cultivate relationships while giving you the ability to easily stay in touch with your current connections. You can streamline the mailing processes, launch and track different campaigns, manage contacts, funds, events, inquiries, and more. Any of you have any Canadian employees? Are you struggling with payroll distribution in GP with spreadsheet tracking, manual inputs, and lousy employment statement access? Well, Penny web-based portal solves these problems on 3 different levels. 1, for the employee, it gives them direct, secure access to their payroll information through a convenient, simple web-based interface. Now the employees can track their hours, see current and historical pay stubs, access their T4s, see time banks, and request holidays. As a manager, it's easy for them to review and deny and approve employees' hours worked or time off requests. And now for the payroll administrator, no more tracking on spreadsheets or inputting information. It's just a simple export and import into GP. Penny is the Canadian GP payroll solution that pays for itself in virtually no time at all. Anyone struggling with management report or spending a lot of time exporting their information to Excel? Well, you should consider Vivid Reports. Here you got drill down capabilities that are powerful and give you information all in one location. Give Vivid to viewers to eliminate those requests of the finance team for additional information. You can refresh reports within only a few seconds. Add the budgeting functionality to eliminate complex budgeting spreadsheets that are hard to maintain and distribute. Vivid is leveraging all of the tools and functionality that comes with Excel. Implementation and training is done in a few hours versus long drawn out implementation plans. Gorilla Expenses philosophy is no more hassle with expense reports and timesheets. With Gorilla Expense, companies can make their time and expense tracking super simple and realize saving through automation. And again, they can gain 100% visibility into the corporate spend. Key benefits are they got a mobile app with OCR for receipt capture. Leverage robust integrations with various credit cards. Project time and expense tracking. It can be deployed via the cloud or on-prem. And with GP, Gorilla Expense also supports analytical accounting, integration with Binary Streams MEM, which is their multi-identity management solution, integration with MC Square's advanced intercompany transactions. And last, this is such a cool product, again, making it real easy for your employees to report in and get paid for expenses. Want your customers to be more self-serving? Well, check out GP Element's CustomerHQ portal. This is available 24/7, of course, and allows your customers to search their transactions quickly. They can drill down to review full transaction information, save a transaction to a PDF or print it. They can export data directly into Excel and do their own analysis. And they can get their customer statements, matter of fact, up to the last 2 years. Open and historical transactions, sales invoices, payments, and returns. On another note, even your employees who don't have access to GP can now log in to the customer portal and provide answers, and it has increased customer service. Intelligize AI is the artificial intelligence solution development arm of Facto. Facto builds AI-based solutions such as predictive models for finance and operations, intelligent bots to support customer service applications and others, using a full range of Microsoft analytic technologies, using Azure machine learning, Azure AI, bot services, R and Python models in SQL and Power BI. Boy, can you tell they got a lot of really intelligent people out there? As a manufacturer distributor with 5 or more warehouse staff, you don't need to spend lots of money and time on a warehouse management system to unlock the potential of your operations. Collect for Microsoft Dynamics GP is a powerful alternative to warehouse management software. Now enables a faster ROI through improved operational processes and a quicker time to value. It kind of is a WMS system for GP, but without the long implementations, painstaking integrations with multiple databases, new solutions for employees to learn. And you've heard it before. Testing, 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 and cut over to the new system. Your IT department's going to love this software because it lives inside of GP. Matter of fact, it uses the same database and posts transactions in real time. They'll spend their valuable time now working with you to improve operations instead of maintaining integrations, multiple databases, or systems. No more hearing that testing, testing, testing. Operations department's going to see quick results with on-time order shipments with accurate real-time inventory. You got to check it out today. Here you can save, improve, and now collect the high fives from your team. Again, dynamic budgets, it's budgeting time. This is ideal for those of you that have outgrown budgeting in Excel. It's the most cost-effective solution you can find. It's got a lower base price, the no more per user pricing. Pricing is built off of the size of the company, matter of fact, the number of departments. Substantially faster implementation, less consulting hours. Matter of fact, an average customer can go live within 5 to 10 hours of training and setup. You heard that right. And then those of you that are more complex setups, a lot of you in healthcare as an example, might need a whole 20 hours, but it's not the 100 to 200 hours which the competitors quote. This also can be a solution for informal replacement for Management Reporter with live links to GP and transaction drill downs. It also integrates with Jet Reports and refreshable Excel reports. It even provides you with a smarter Power BI dashboard. And guess what? Free trials are available. Quick Payables from QuickTag. integrates with Dynamics GP. So if any of you don't want another looking product linking into GP, you want it to look like GP, this is it. How they've designed their product is they have embedded over 75 GP forms. This has a light technical footprint. Nothing is stored in GP. End-to-end accounts payable automation, from the invoice submission by the vendor through the creation of a payables transaction entry in GP. It also scales to other departments, processes along the organization to manage any document. Plus, are you tired of searching, finding documents from within GP? Well, here you can do it within GP and QuickTag with global search. Add documents to transactions at any time. This is going to accelerate your monthly and year-end closes and audits with workflow history. It's all accessible with one click. Heard of Vertex? Well, they've got over 40 years with tax expertise. Matter of fact, they own over 60% of the enterprise marketplace, now available here with GP. Vertex Tax technology helps your business navigate the changing landscape of tax changes. This is a crazy time. Matter of fact, how do you even dare mess with taxes, right? Unique attributes of this are this can be a cloud-based or a hosted model, but it also, as far as I know, is the only tax product out there for on-prem. It also has some industry-specific taxes reporting, such as those of you with leasing companies or in the communications industry. I also like how they do charges. For those of you that have looked into tax software, every time it goes out to check what tax should be charged, that going over the line, there's a cha-ching to that. Well, how Vertex does it is they look at what your company's value is and they charge you off of that annual fee. So if you're a $10 million company, you pay one fee versus someone that has a $20 million company. It's no longer off of the number of transactions, it's off of the size of your business. That seems really fair to me and predictable. The JET Payroll Interface, also known as JPI, acts as a bridge to transfer data between many ADP payroll systems and GP. This offers convenience and compliance benefits of outsourcing payroll to ADP as well as the functionality of GP. It allows data to be entered into one system, GP, HR, and uses JPI to create files of change data to be imported to ADP. After checks are processed, JPI loads the detailed pay data as manual checks. The GP posting process is used to update employee histories and general ledger. Well, we all love David Musgrove. Winthrop Development Consultants is always improving their product. This is just one exciting build 26. So those automatic logouts, let's say that you are running close to running out of licenses of GP. David's product very eloquently will log them out, but you can now have it where 2 minutes before you're going to kick somebody out of GP because they haven't been actively using it, it'll give them a warning and a countdown. Best of all, it saves their unsaved work before logging out. Also, user activity tracking. This records stats on the company's users that are logged into, the details of the last very few sessions. You also can get maximum session counts. This tracks the daily maximum number of sessions on a system-wide, per user, per company basis, and provides data with a dynamic interactive bar graph. Maybe you want login limits. Control how many sessions a user can log into at one time, Or maybe logins are allowed per company. There are many options to exempt specific users or user per company combination. And boy, there's a lot more, but we only have 1 minute. CRG MPerform is a flexible, intuitive, and all-inclusive employee performance management system. This now automates performance reviews, 360 peer reviews, and ongoing feedback, succession planning, compensation reviews, and talent surveys. MPerform is completely configurable, web-based, and is available as a hosted or on-prem system. Matter of fact, this works with more than GP. It also works with the other Dynamics products and other HR systems like Payroll, HRIS, or LMS. Today, we have an evolving supply chain marketplace. Well, here's a quick look at TrueCommerce. TrueCommerce platform of applications, and I say that plural, this helps connect customers, suppliers, channels, and systems such as supplier enablement, e-commerce, PIM, which is product information management, and multi-carrier shipping automation. The pack and ship solution allows customers with multiple carrier support with a selection of over 60 global carriers. So if you do shipping of boxes, take a look at this. You have the ability to ship more in less time by printing shipping labels quickly and adding fulfillment efficiencies and scale for your shipments. It also allows you to automatically generate shipments or invoices directly from GP and handles the demand spikes with a cloud-based model. TrueCommerce is the most complete way to connect the supply chain. Jovico is a full web-based time and expense report solution. Automate your project creation when you get the go-ahead. Create project plans and allocate tasks to be reviewed and within their timesheets, literally in real time. There are over 30 project-specific reports available out of the box, as well as Power BI dashboards. This is the solution to manage your project costs, profitability, and invoicing. Love representing this product, sold it many times. Liaison Messenger. It handles batch emailing and batch faxing. Yeah, I did say faxing, it does. So this allows you to email out invoices as a good example. You can also attach supporting documentation. Examples of some static attachments could be terms and conditions to POs, marketing invoices to invoices, marketing info, to invoices. And examples of variable attachments could be invoices to statements, proof of delivery to invoices, timesheets to invoices, and the list goes on. Use your existing print procedures along with your existing reports. They could be coming from GP Report Writer, SSRS, Crystal Reports, Words, Excel, and the list goes on. It also, you can send multiple documents to one recipient in a batch in one email. And Liaison Messenger also handles archiving of all the documents. Want your sales team to do quotes, orders, and invoicing on their own, but not letting them into GP? Well, have them use SalesHQ. Here's an example of how your outside sales reps can place orders. This is just an example. During the sales process, they can now generate an order. Literally, in real time, it places the order back at the office, and the customer can get an invoice all while on site. This product generates quote, enters orders and invoices. It also can create new prospective customer records, automatically update your GP system in real time, and at points, transactions can be downloaded as PDF files. Mccorma. If you're a Mccorma user, you're already using one of the most widely used ISV products in the marketplace. Now, with Mccorma Payment Hub, they are offering advanced automation and payment options in the services like the new enhanced electronic payments, which will provide you with everything you see here and much more. You know what's the best part? This add-on is totally free. If you qualify, there will be a zero maintenance and also no purchasing costs. Rapidstart is a great tool for companies who have outgrown Excel-based budgeting and want a complete budgeting and planning tool without breaking the bank. Budgeting and forecasting requires no modeling or technical skills to maintain and can be customized to your business needs, and it can integrate your data to and from Dynamics. Rapidstart starts at an impressive amount of functionality for a tool that is priced starting at $31.50 per year. You get annual budgets, a chart of accounts of up to 300, profit and loss projections, cash flow projects, payroll, monthly rolling forecasts, balance sheet projections, handles multi-currency and multi-identity support, and rich supporting and dashboard. Set up a meeting today and see a demo, again, by Corporate Renaissance. So, what is robotic processing automation, also known as RPA? Well, RPA is the use of software often utilized by artificial intelligence, you know, that AI, and machine learning functionality to automate tedious, high volume, repetitive tasks that previously required manual human intervention. In short, the main objective of RPA is to automate tasks that are taking up your employees' time and resources. Well, you got MetaViewer. They use robotic process automation technology to capture invoice data, eliminate repetitive processes, and make documents and data more readily available for better expense management. Just imagine how you and your department will look when you start capitalizing on early payment discounts, reducing your inventory processing costs, and improving your vendor and customer relations, all without the manual intervention. Netstock. Netstock is a demand planning tool, helping you get a handle on ordering and moving inventory, making sure that you're buying the right products at the right time and not leaving them on the shelves to gather dust. This helps folks in operations manage effective ways of handling inventory. Purchasing gains insight of what to order off of past experiences and needs of today. Bottom line, saving you money while improving customer service. Nolan, Advanced Bank Reconciliation. This is an automatic way of reconciling. You can view side-by-side comparisons, import transactions from your bank, create groups, set up rules. This is perfect for companies that have high transaction volumes. Maybe you're a restaurant or a retailer, or multiple bank accounts, multiple general ledger cash accounts, multi-location or multinational companies. Nolan will help you save time with the dreaded month-end processes of reconciling with your bank. PanaTrack or GP is the leading solution for real-time barcode-based inventory and asset management. PanaTrack or GP is configurable and scalable. PanaTrack or GP for inventory turns GP into a powerful warehouse management or stockroom solution. Additionally, PanaTrack or GP for fixed assets takes asset tracking beyond the ledger and brings barcoded asset tagging and tracking into the physical world. So, what's new at PanaTrack? Well, they do have a competitive upgrade program, making it much easier to switch from a solution that isn't working for you to one that will. They have also introduced camera-based barcode scanning using Android phones and tablets. Last, new item tracking solution. It's called PanaTrack or ST. This handles complex item tracking scenarios. PanaTrack. Are you using Excel or analytical accounting and need something more robust, more flexible, got better reporting, and possibly you are using GP's project accounting and it's far more complex than what your business needs? Well, Encore's project tracking should be your next step in managing project revenue. You decide what information is important and to track and report on. You don't need to retrofit your business processes to add project tracking into your GP install. Instead, project tracking provides enough flexibility that can be configured in the way that you need so that you can get the information out that you need and when you need it. Encore has and is currently working with other ISVs to help develop features that meet your requirements that you have today and also in the future. And here's the best part. The typical implementation, it's 3 days or less. Budgeting and reporting. Solver's BI 360 Cloud gives your organization the ideal corporate performance management platform for better and faster decision-making, everything from strategy, forecasts, budgets, reports, and analysis. Using comments and automated email updates so that everybody can collaborate seamlessly and stay in the loop. Solver has been ranked in the upper quadrant of CPM Software Grid, G2's Crowd, and also in Gartner's Group's CPM Magic Quadrant. Pretty impressive. They're also a gold ISV. They've won countless awards, including the Microsoft BI Partner of the Year Award. Deal with exchange rates? Well, in Vestige's exchange rate feed application takes the hassle out of manually entering in exchange rates. Matter of fact, it runs as a background window service that reads rate information from an external source and then populates GP. Updates to exchange rates can be scheduled daily, weekly, monthly, and also at specified times of the day. All current major currencies are handled by the application. Exchange rates can be sourced from a number of free currency websites. Alternatively, you can also connect the application to paid subscription sites as well. It's effortless. Matter of fact, never worry about what version of GP you're on or when it comes to upgrades. It just simply works. No steps are needed for future upgrades. There is no annual maintenance fees, and 1 year of support is included in the purchase price. The 4-day trial version of the application is also available, so check it out. How much time in a day do you waste looking up information in GP or even your third-party products? You know it's there, but coming up with the magic combination of words and numbers and phrases to find it, that's another story. So you got SmartFill. Simply type what you know into the search bar. Within seconds, you'll have all the matches listed right there in front of you. With this GP search tool, you'll even see similar items that may have typos, and you don't even have to enter them twice. With SmartFill, you'll find what you need. So save time and money. SmartFill is an amazing productivity tool for your entire team. Honestly, I don't know why any company would use GP without SmartFill. Need to make it easy for your employees to purchase stuff? Well, GP Elements PurchaseHQ portal is just the tool you need. It was designed for internal purchases. So now employees can simply click the app and make their requests. PurchaseHQ handles approve, reject purchase invoice, quick review of all purchase invoices waiting approval, review the purchasing invoice summary detail and associated invoice, simple screens to enable a quick and efficient approval process. Do you want alternative part numbers? Well, the product's generic UPC code can be used as the main inventory item. Then add your own alias, one that will be recognized easily by cashiers, order takers, and support staff. Or let the system make them for you. You can review and edit the ones already created. Now, you can scan or enter alternative numbers during selling time. Yet, when you need to order something from your supplier, you can use the inventory cross-reference report and see the defined alternative item numbers. There is an inquiry window as well that can convert the alias part number into GP. Best part is, it's only $500 for 20 users or less. That's a no-brainer. Ta-da! There you go. All 50 products in 50 minutes. All right, Ashley.
Thanks so much, Kim. That was so good. So many good products. All right, I don't see any questions at this time. We'll give you like a second or so to do a question in there if there's anything you guys need, want. But otherwise, if you don't have any questions, feel free to reach out to any of our client strategy managers, or that may be Lisa or Kelsey. If you have any questions, want further information, happy to provide anything to you guys.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for allowing me to educate everybody on 50 products. And again, get in touch with the folks at Artis, and I'm there to answer any questions.